Do you know how to find the domain of a rational function? That's what we're learning in today's lesson. In finding the domain of a rational function, the domain includes only values that do not make the denominator equal to 0. Identify the domain of the rational function f of x is equal to x squared minus x all over 4x minus 12. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. In finding the domain of this rational function, we need to find the excluded values. And excluded values here are the values of x that will make the denominator equal to 0. So to solve for the excluded values, the 4x minus 12 should not be equal to 0. Doing the inverse operations, we add 12 to both sides, so we will have 4x is not equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 4, our x value is not equal to 3. This means that on the number line, the only value of x that you can't use is the 3. The left side of 3 can be written down as x is less than 3. Or, the right side of 3 can be written down as x is greater than 3. We can also write this in interval notation. X less than 3 means from the negative infinity to the 3 excluding. Union, x greater than 3 means from 3 excluding to the positive infinity. So the first representation is the domain in inequalities. And the second representation is the domain in interval notation. Either representation is correct. And this means you can use any values of x excluding the 3. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.